welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will be learning to adjust the volume on Sceptre monitor through step by step and also to control your audio. Method 1, using the OSD menu, that's the physical buttons. So most traditional Sceptre monitors feature a row of physical buttons on the back right side or along the bottom bezel. Open the menu, press the M, that's the menu button, to activate the on-screen display OSD menu. Navigate to System Settings, use the down arrow or up arrows to scroll through the main menu tabs until you highlight System or Audio. Select Volume, press the M button again to enter the submenu, then scroll down to highlight Volume. Adjust the slider. Press the up arrow button to increase the volume level or down arrow button to decrease it. Save and exit. Press the exit button to close the OSD menu and save your parameters. Method 2, using the directional joystick. If your specific Sceptre model utilizes a single multi-directional joystick controller on the back pane, you can bypass the main menu entirely for immediate audio control. Quick volume control. With the OSD closed, push the joystick to the right to instantly increase the volume or to the left to lower it. Deep menu navigation. Press the center of the joystick to reveal the OSD. Pull the joystick downward to highlight the system or audio panel. Push right or click the button inward to open the category. Highlight volume. Push right to select it and toggle the stick up or down to set your audio level. Method 3, unmuting and fine-tuning bass or treble. If you cannot hear anything even after cranking up the volume, check your built-in equalizer tools. Check mute status, open the OSD, navigate to the system settings and verify that the mute option is turned off. Adjust the equalizer. Open the menu, select sound and then choose speaker setup. Select equalizer to adjust the bass and treble frequencies using your directional keys. This significantly enhances audio clarity for gaming or movie profiles. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and also do hit the subscribe button.